Whoa! Oh, sagay! Isay! Oh, watch your step! Watch your step! Done. Done already. Finish. Chicken. Huh? You want the fish? Do you want to give Choco fish? Ate yun na? Sleepy na? The spider. You hungry, Regika? I told you, there's a donut in there. You don't want to eat because you want to be healthy, just like Kyler. Sundog-sundog Kyler. Ilong ra ba kay hugaw? Not here. Here only. Here. Okay, go. No more monkey jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his head. Mama lagi na lagi para mates na kay maghinda magyamaw mo din sa tulog niya. La lagi la rira rira lagi wood. No jumping on the bed. One fell out and bumped his head. Sit down. Sit down on the rock. Ate Reiko. Reiji, kochimite. Se, no. Hai, se. Choco? Ah, Choco? Where's Choco? No. Where's Choco? Where's Choco?
We need to this one. Yeah.
You go there. You go there and call the fire truck. Go there. Wiggle.
Okay na.
Okay na. Thank you.
Mr. Bear.
fire. Go round.
Oh,
Next, what's
Truck. The wheels on the truck go round and round. Round. I said this is truck. No, you said bus.
not bus?
Which one? Truck or bus?
Do you want a truck?
Oh, go round and round.
Round and
Jude.
round and round.
No.
The
Do
wheel
you want a truck?
go
It's
round.
sliding up.
Mix, mix, mix.
Done. Thank you.
Okay, turn it. Oh, use this one. Oh, turn it. Here. Oh, catch fish. Say hi. Hi to Mama. Look at Mama. Wave your hand. Hi. Look at Mama. Where are you going? Huh? Where are you going? Good morning. Morning.
Huh?
Where are you going?
Morning.
Morning. Where are you going? Wait here. Ako na tamimi ko.
What do you say? First, what did you say?
Say thank you.
You're welcome. Uy, dugay ako ibaw.
Uy, naon sa namang titin. Magkapa sa namang titin. Para mo.
Okay. I don't want to be mommy.
Oh, you take a bath. Oh, you go swim.
Why can you do like that?
But you are the one who did it first to us. I was even too shocked.
Silusok.
I'm not pushing you. No, I'm
Oh, color white, color blue. Oh, this color pink too. Go! 1, 2, 3. Boom! Kaya? Fish! Goldfish! Fish the goldfish! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! Oh, it's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! It's okay! O, swim mo? Basta isubmerge pa ang ulo. Do not throw stone. Yes, okay. No more dirty. Tito Tatan clean it already. Tito Tatan clean it. Tito Tatan catch fish. Tito Tatan catch some fish. Look. Dang. Smile, Dang. Dang, Dang. Smile, Dang. Asa naman ang cellphone? Asa naman ang cellphone? Dito na po na dito kami sa mga ito. Asa naman yung vlogger? Uy, nasigatan na gani. Kinagigalo na gani ito yung cellphone. Naman ito yung sabi. Litin naman yan pa. Kasi mamata sila din yung maglangoy na. Kusog na lagi ang suog mo. Dili na maruwak mo to. Do not put stone, please. Ate, you no.
Oh, this is... Wait. Oh.
Ate, ice cream mo?
Pilihnya begini. Aku biar
Bili na ato pa? Tito Tatan do? Tito Tatan? What did you do? What did you say a while ago? Tito Tatan? Catch some? What did you say ba? Hindi niya malintan si Tito Tatan. Kaya ang fish ko na si Tito Tatan ang nag-catch. Tito Tatan caught some fish na. Oh, you say arigato, Tito Tatan. Mommy Melchi go home to Tokyo, but Mommy Melchi will come back soon here. It's okay. Mommy Melchi, you miss Mommy Melchi? You miss Mommy Melchi? Mommy Melchi will go to work, Mommy in Tokyo. It's okay. Mommy Melchi. Oh, Mommy Melchi will come back here, okay? They will just go back to Tokyo and then they will go back here again soon. Because Mommy Melchi